Hello and welcome back to Journey Beyond. Today I have a special short film. I am actually overseas in Bahrain right now, and I just have a few clips of the city I wanted to show you and some crafting stuff, of course, that I've been working on since I've been here. It is beautiful here. This is from my balcony right now. You can see the city there in the background. The ocean is this beautiful turquoise blue, and there's some condos across the way there, some apartments. Absolutely stunning. So I hope you guys enjoy this short but festive little film of my crafting slash vacation. Hope you guys enjoy it. Okay, you guys, so on my vacation I have been working on the Griffin window ledge card making kit. So I actually already put them all together, so I'm sorry I can't shoot a video where I actually did them, but I just wanted to show you the kind of cards it makes. I believe I bought this on HSN probably about a month or two ago. It was on sale at the time for $35, which wasn't a bad price. They do make very pretty cards. If you're interested in getting it, it's something that you could put together pretty quickly. They are nice cards. So I'm going to kind of show you what comes in the box. Aside from the stuff I already did. So it does come with some dies, and it comes with the envelopes, and it comes with the card bases, and then you have the sheets that go on top, and I'll show you that in just a second. So you have the 5x7 envelopes. I am shooting with my phone, so I don't have my camera equipment here. Just want to apologize in advance for that. So hopefully it's good enough quality so you guys can kind of get the idea. Then of course it comes with her idea sheet. I actually replicated a lot of the same designs, and then I did a couple different ones too. But this is what comes in the box. So you're going to get your card base, your card layer, and then you're going to get embellishments, the window ledges themselves, and there's two designs. You're going to have the square window ledge, and you're going to have an arched window ledge. And it also comes with some foam adhesive squares and a die set. So I did bring my marquee, but I didn't actually use it because everything was in the box. So here's what's left of my embellishments, and you also get some cute little kitty cats and some puppy dogs in there. And then you have a lot of floral embellishments there. And then you have, this is for like the curtains that go over the curtain. I'm sorry, that go over the window. And then you have your foam squares here. And then in the box you have this, if I can get it out of here. This is the die set that comes with the box. Again, like I said, I did bring my marquee, but I did not even use it because it had everything in the box that I needed to. But this is for future cards, if I want to make them again later. So, and this one's really cute. It does come with shutters and a wreath, which I really do like. The embellishments in the box did not come with that. So, and now I'm going to show you some of the cards that I made. Kind of put those aside. So this one I actually have the cat inside. It's really cute. So this is one of the arched windows here. And you can see some of the floral. And then it also comes with the inserts. That's one thing I forgot to mention. Oh, sorry about that, you guys. So it does come with the inserts. I do really like that. And this one is Thinking of You, along with that. And this one, like on this card set, I did not put, like you have a little window cover here. I left this one open and just kind of used this on the outside. It's not necessarily right or wrong. You guys can do however you feel. There's no, whatever your creation's going to be there. Here's another one. These ones, oh, here's a square one. Okay, here, this one I did the puppy dog in the window. So cute. So you kind of get the idea. So the card bases come in, I want to say like 10 different designs. You have 2 of each design for the background. And then you have your card layer in the back with different colors as well. Here's another square one with a puppy. And then some of the embellishments are the round embellishments here. And you can design these any way you would like. You have some options to put, a lot of them, you know, have the sentiment put on the flower planter below the window. But you can put it anywhere. You can put it on the top of the card. Then they have little flags. I really like these. Those are super cute. That you can plant within the flowers there. Very cute cards. I really enjoyed making these. So I spent, I'm not gonna lie, you guys. So I just sat down and I was like, I'm gonna bang out these cards all in one day. So it took me 8 hours to make 20 cards. It's just more of the placement and the color combination you want to use, and what you wanted to say, and inside as far as like the sentiments go inside. Because there's no, I mean, there are some sentiments that you know correlate with each other, like happy birthday and get well, but there's some that you can mix and match. So this is a really fun set. I really wish I had brought another card kit with me to do, or some more crafts, but I just didn't know how much I'd be able to fit in my suitcase, so I only brought one. But these are really cute cards, you guys. I just wanted to show these to you. I don't know if they're available on HSN. I think they are. I don't know the price now, but when I bought them, they were on sale for $35. I think they're a little higher now. But if not, you can check the Anna Griffin website, and they should have some available on there. But thanks for watching, you guys. I just wanted to share this brief video with you. I haven't been on in a couple months, just work and life, and as much as I would love to film, sometimes those things get in the way. So I hope you had a wonderful holiday and a happy new year, and I shall be shooting some videos here in the near future when I get home in a couple of weeks. So I hope you enjoy this one. See you later, guys.